There are two places that is basically condemned.
Okay.
Church. You actually go into church hoping to pray to come out as a clean person. As you're living there, I'm telling you, you are accumulating burdens of sin. You see church, you see politicians, House of Assembly, National Assembly, House of Senate. You see these places I have mentioned. My God, they are where your problems start from, and that is where they're going to end. Any day you change how you think about church, any day you sit down and ask yourself, this particular pastor, can I review what they're teaching me? That day you would have survived.
Okay, yeah, Okwa, the voice of a prophet, Mazen Nandi Kano. I'm not so many of whom we are disagree. You understand me? Oh, yeah, I put there by Anna going to see where the problem of Africa is religion. Religion contributed 80 to 90%, followed by our politicians. The system, they damaged. Do you understand what I'm saying? The system, they damaged. But getting down the Nike here, Pomona again, I've been on. Guy, when we found a better society, that is your religious leaders. But do you know why? They will not say anything. They are benefiting from the corrupt system. Do you understand? Just we go to know, imagine. Na pastor like it na to jail any for the Kobodo Dika Germany. Akwima no man ne president the mother beleka from ego. Akwima no yala zane je family deliverance. Ancestral cause. Akwima ni fini na fire akose. So if that no ya bido, it draft is ya causing. It will also see 5 to 9 shift. Do you understand me? Now I buy on that line. Man, it will forget a corrupt system. I gonna abono. Okay, all of our how Ghana Bible. A bit of web telegram microphone. Polo, you really code to deal on in it. Polo, second only easy goes. Don't have Okuchu. Okuchuku Gejego, we got it. Okuchuku in the lake no. On Teramadi Bagagia. That God don't want to power when we keep go here. Do you understand me? So me go no imagine na prophet na prophetess na this year evangelist in megala important na teach and me go imagine na amutari akita won tuji ani fe de obodo de ka UK, obodo de ka Gaddafi, China, obodo de ka Saudi Arabia, obodo de ka Dubai, obodo de ka Vietnam, obodo de ka Korea, obodo de ka Japan, obodo de ka America. Even na so many of ndo ji kwen kana akpokucha akpokwo ni ye gbasa prophecy in America. So many of them. Not only if no one about black people. That there's so many of us who don't want to reason properly. If you even in Nigeria today, church and the government, and then this two group of people are kept not alone. Do you understand? Church fight here can a better society. Population Ghana Abazoka, he receive the anointing, he reduce like all the nobodo Igbo today. That is why so many of them will keep silent. Ana go to fire a kuku, apa yaga fire a kuku. I'm go to pothole nuzo, they no go talk. You have all these things in there happen on happen today in Nigeria. How many of them can only protest about it? Manamataya sim can boss out. Come biangulo. Maka because of na engineer a contractor na lose Emily for suppose him. But I has a potential for protest. Create the awareness government well, but also when Mark with game can do all pay one. Man, since church on a buy over a century in a ebe potu de. Today in order to the electricity. Today, you only as a graduate get put a laptop or go phone go banana net get a chota in less than 5 minutes. Ode. Today, you go there go and watch chichi get party go if you about security, about something and upon the mother. Look at fish magnet. Look at Vicmat in Enugu State. Obobo na in a better society. This young, vibrant youth on a farm name of employ and them mad. Mana because of a bad society. Because of a society, man again now bad roma. I now koko on daily basis.